Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Xcode project file locked. Right-click the Xcode project folder. Click Get Info. First unlock the lock. Type the password for your username. Click OK to continue. Change the permission. Click Apply to enclosed items. Click OK to continue. Click to lock the locker. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.